Pretty little black skin girl. Oh, yeah. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
My chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is your girl dipped in chocolate. So today vlog will be about a soft day in my life, soft and productive. So right now you see me sleeping, trying to wake up, and finally I am ready to wake up, big stretch and yawn, and get up for a productive day. And that's on period. All right, girl, get up. No, get up. Don't mind the shorts on my head. You know, sometimes we gotta be ghetto and ratchet sometimes, but you know, yeah, get up. Yeah, so right now I'm walking to the bathroom, about to wash out my sour mouth. So Colgate, no free promotions, so I'm trying to squeeze out the last bit of this toothpaste and brush my sour mouth. So yeah, brush your teeth and all of that. So guys, I got this tongue scraper from Shein. It has been doing wonders because you know you have some debris on your tongues, right? Yes, so I got this tongue scraper to see, you know, how it works. It works pretty well. So now I have moved on to spreading my bed. Somehow the girl, I get up off on the bed and don't spread on the bed. How do you live like that? Go spread on the bed. You can't live in the house and spread on the bed. My parents used to say, if you drop down a road, your bed not spread and people bring you in, you go shame because your bed don't spread. But it's spread on the bed. Nice, clean comforter. Nice, clean. So right now I'm sweeping out the house. Sweeping out because somehow no walk with no shoes coming in my house. And now me have to sweep it out every minute. Me sweep out the house like me sweep out even the good blessings them out of the house. So right now I'm washing my hands because I'm getting ready to cook. Yes, a girl have to wash your hand before you cook. Please and thank you. Wash your hand, crips and creases of your hand. Wash it properly before you prepare your food. Sure. So right now I'm trying to wash off my meat. This is a boneless meat. I have my jasmine rice. I have flour, I have black pepper, some Jamaican seasonings, Maggi season up, some oil, everything. So I'm now going to pour the jasmine rice in a pot to get it washed. So I'm just going to wash that about 3 times, and then I'm going to start seasoning up my pot for my rice. Yeah, slow motion, right? And then right now I'm gonna add some saute, and that's on period. What, the video in a slow motion? Why did I do this? Watcha. The salt look like it's a dancing at the pot though. That's really cute. That's really creative. Did I do that? Slow motion. Boom. So I'm now gonna stir my pot. Stir it up, little darling. Guys, I think I can sing, you know. I think I have the ability to win Rising Star. Alright, so now I am adding some flour in a plate or a bowl because I think I'm going to fry some chicken and cook it down. I'm not sure yet. So I have my Maggi season up, I have my black pepper, salt, ketchup, and all of those wonderful things. So now my rice is cooking down. So guys, I got some Pinot Noir. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got that. Is a red wine. It's so nice when you're cooking and you're just drinking some red wine. It's so nice. Like, it gives us soft life. It gives us bougie. And I love it so much. Why am I screaming in the phone? Anyways, it is just giving me some type of soft life, bougie type of girl that I am manifesting. Right? So, yeah, it tastes so good. It tastes so good. Like, it's so smooth. Anyway, so now I'm adding my seasoned chicken to a, what's this called? A wrap bag, and mixing up with flour because I think I'm going to fry some chicken right now. I am going to fry some chicken right now. So I'm just gonna add that to the pot. You see it cooking down. I also added pepper to the pot to give it a little seasoning. Pepper to the oil. And see my rice cooking down. This is my Krispy Kreme fried chicken. This is my spicy gravy. My rice, spicy gravy cooking down with some pepper. So now I'm going to just wash up some dishes. Because why would you cook and not wash up the dishes after? Why is so nasty? Why someone to stay so not limited now? But I do that. So this is the finished product. Looking so delicious and nice. So Krispy Kreme. Yeah. Y'all learn for cooking now? So married. Alright, the dolly ready for dolly dong. Because the dolly have somewhere to go, but she has a lot of chores to do. So the dolly ready for dolly dong, you know. Natural hair. Some girl have a wig and some girl have a this and that. And some girl natural hair don't healthy and nice. So some of them girl are anti-ballad underneath them wig. But the girl have nice flowing hair. Transition! What that? Transition! What transition? Well, anyways, I'm going too bad. One thing, you know, I got in my Oberlin high school shirt. Right now, I'm going to sing the Oberlin high school song. From the hills of St. Angelo, the Paragon rises. The green and burgundy lighting up the skies. We're shining stars. Alright, shut up now. Right now, I'm going to put on my wig. Guys, the wig, yeah, I'm going to tell you the wig, yeah. I'm going to say I'm going to try apply it by myself. But this is the first time I actually applied a wig on my head. Saying that, oh, I am going to do the full-blown process of putting on a wig. Today is my first time. So I'm going to join the wig, push it down on my head. Guys, I never know so my head big until I try to put on a wig on my head and it can't fit. So I bought a got to be glued spray, frizz spray at Safeway, a supermarket. Whatever, supermarket, yeah. So I'm just going to apply that to the front sections of my head. I'm trying to make some edges. At that point right there, I was like, oh shit, why am I trying to apply a wig? I don't know shit about applying a wig. Why am I trying to apply a wig? That's what was going through my head. But then I'm like, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. So I was like, okay, I can do this. I can do this. I don't need nobody's help, but I can do this by myself. And then I started applying the wig. Those are some bum ass edges, but I was trying. And then boom, boom, chop. I'm looking like scrumdiddlyocious, like partially scrumdiddlyocious, but we can go on so far. It's not too bad, but I'm gonna give you guys a bum ass transition because this hair actually turned out pretty good, and I got a lot of compliments, like overly complimented. I was overly complimented. I felt like, oh, y'all want to get my bank account number or something? Like, y'all are complimenting me too much now. It's getting like, it's too bad now. Boom, boom, chop. The dolly come out and all these things. I did this by myself. I'm so proud of myself. So no, I don't have to pay an arm and a leg to do my lace wigs. I can do it myself now. Yes, so it's time to wash some clothes. I took all the clothes that I have that was dirty, went out the door, came down the steps, went around the corner with the big old bag, and then I got to the laundry room where I paid about $2 to get my clothes washed. Yeah, that's my big old ass comforter that I have to sleep with. Seeing that I live in a fridge, I live in a ice box. This place is so cold. Alright, so it's time to wash my clothes. My clothes are not really dirty, you know. I just change clothes really, really often. I don't know why, because that's so dumb. Like, I have to pay like $2 every time. Well, $4 every time I need to wash, and then I continue to wear a lot of clothes. So after it done washing, I said I have to go in the dryer because I don't have no clothes. I don't have no clothesline, so I have to get this. So they did have to provide a dryer for us because there ain't no sun outside to dry the clothes. I have to go in my training voice just now. All right, let me stop the foolishness. Anyways, so yeah, and then I close the door. After that, my ear some get package out the door. I went outside, took up my packages, and then I went inside to do a try on haul. So let's go do a try on haul. Alright, so I got a couple stuff from Temu. It's a new online store or online business thingy. It's kind of similar to Shein, but it's kind of cheaper. I think it's kind of cheaper, and you can get a lot of free shipping. So that's a plus. So I bought a couple dresses. I bought a watch, an eyeglass, not a eyeglass. That's just bad English. Yeah, and couple stuff. What else am I buy again? Cause I be outside buying a lot of things. Oh yeah, I also bought a Yeezy slides off of Temu. Yeah, so let's rate them and let's do a try on haul. Yeah. So we got the watch here. It's so cute. On the bracelet writes love. It's so this is so cute. Like it's giving kind of formal casual vibe. The packaging was kind of cheap. It is cheap, so yeah, I can't complain, but the packaging could be better though. It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. I give this about a 6. These are some I love these glasses so much. It looks so expensive. Even though I pay like $2 for, not even fucking $2, like $1.50 or something. It's so pretty. I love this. I definitely give this a 9. Because I couldn't really see out of them. I just want to be a bougie ass bad bitch for, I don't know why, but I can't see out of them. So let's do some try on hauls, guys. Alright, so this is a romper. It's red. I give this a 7 out of 10. Seeing that it's kind of baggy, and this was small. This was the smallest size. It's kind of baggy though. So I gave it a 7. This is so sexy. This is so sexy. I give this a 8.5. It's so sexy, so pretty. I love the texture. It's see-through too, I don't know where I'm going with it. I must a club. Alright, so this is my favorite outfit. This I give a 9.5. The only reason I would give it a 10 is because it rides up. Like, it's short, yes I know, but it rides up and it's kind of annoying to be drawing it down every time. I give it a 9 out of 10. It's so sexy. It suits my body shape, my color, everything. It's just perfect. So now, guys, all of the chatting and all, me I go beard. Bearding time. Uno beard from morning, I go beard again. Watch me, I behave like some minute know some I record myself a beard. I'm so weird. Anyways, it's time to flat iron my hair again because me I go outside. So I have a Chinese friend. Her name is Dan, and Dan was leaving my apartment. So I'm like, okay, let's go have dinner, Dan. Let's go have dinner and take some pictures for my Instagram. And she was like, okay. So she's such a nice little girl. She's Chinese. So I'm trying to flat her in my ear because when I go out, I have to look like a bad bee. And that's on everything. I believe I do too much sometimes, especially seeing that I am in Alaska where it's so cold and people don't wear the clothes that I wear here. But I don't care. I'm not everybody. I can't be everybody cup of tea because I'm not a mug. So I wear at girl clothes every single where I go. So the scent for today is J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez cologne. Period. I'm looking so actually dumb shots. I'm looking so good. So I have to give you guys a 360, a 180, and a 90 degrees. I'm gonna put on these glasses and then I'm gonna transform. Boodoo chop. Yo, I made to get them headache. I made to get them sediac. Jiggle jiggle. Jiggle jiggle jiggle. Yo, my ass I get big still, you know. My ass I get big and my belly I follow it. And I don't know how to feel about that. I'm glad that my ass is getting big, but my belly is following, and that's just not giving what I want to give. All right, so me and Dan I head to Ray's restaurant on the ocean. So in the town, we reach a Ray's restaurant. So me I forgot to take some videos and some pictures for the gram. So that's what I was doing right there. I made some bum ass videos and some nice pictures. Big up Dan. So Ray's waterfront. The entrance was packed because I think it's one of the finest restaurants there in town. So it's packed. I got here, we get to walk into our table, got to our table, everything was set up for us. I think we ordered two juice. The juice them taste like local pee mixed with a little lime. It tastes so bad. Them they taste bad. Me not drink it, me just drink for the aesthetics. That is so beautiful though. Yeah, so me and Dan just did I take me a picture and a video and everything because you know so I have to do things with the gram and do things with Uno, so that's why I go there. But the food tastes like a piece of old fish, then dash in on my plate and some fries with the drop off on the ground. Yeah, it just don't taste good to me. Dan was eating it up. But yeah, after that, I headed home to get ready to go to the club. So my friends and I arrived to the club and we start like behaving like so we never yet gone away in our life. We just behave crazy because them let we out. I will dance and everything. So me wind up myself. I'm going with myself. I would drink. I would just enjoy myself for the night, and it was just so nice. The week to come would be July 4th, so the place was vibesy. And we eat pizza and everything, so it was a very good day. So guys, yes, thank you guys so much for watching, by the way, and for listening to this voiceover of me behaving like a total lunatic. I'm so sorry. I'm just built this way. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when your girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Mwah!